Hello, friends, and greetings of the day. I am here with our today's topic personal pronouns. And as you know, the definition of pronoun is itself in the name pronoun. A word which is pro for noun means which is used instead of noun. Pronoun is a word used instead of noun. And as you see here on the screen, the English words I, me, you, he, him, she, her, it, we, us, them, they are called personal pronouns. There are many types of pronouns: relative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, and personal pronoun is one of the types of pronouns. And they are called personal because they refer to person. Yes, they refer to person, people, and hence they are called personal pronouns. But there are two more pronouns, one and who. They are also personal pronouns. One is also used as a personal pronoun, and who is also an interrogative personal pronoun. Let us see with the help of a drill here how these pronouns are useful from grammar point of view, and our students grapple with using pronouns and the agreement of the pronoun with the verb or subject with the verb. Okay, let us begin with this I, the first person singular personal pronoun, and we will try to match with the verbs this side. Okay, I am correct, I is wrong, I are wrong, I was correct, I were usually wrong, but in if I were, in this kind of conditional sentences, I were is correct. I will, in modern grammar, it is acceptable and correct. I shall is correct in traditional grammar, and also modern grammar accepts, but there is a little bit difference between I will and I shall. I drink correct, I drinks wrong. Remember, this drill will train you in one of the basic rules of English grammar. Then we'll take second pronoun here. We is plural, first person plural personal pronoun. We, see, we go one by one. We am wrong, we is wrong, we are correct, we was wrong, we were correct, we will correct, we shall, same again. We will is acceptable in modern grammar, and it is a model, and we shall is traditional grammar. We drink correct, but we drinks is wrong. Okay, the next pronoun is you. You am wrong, you is wrong, you are correct. See, both for singular and plural. You are, you was wrong, you were correct, you will correct, you shall correct, you drink correct, but you drinks is wrong. For plural you, second person plural personal pronoun. You am, wrong. You is, wrong. You are, correct. You was, wrong. You were, correct. You will, correct. You shall, rarely but correct. You drink, correct. You drinks, wrong. Then third person pronoun, he am, wrong. He is, correct. He are, wrong. He was, correct. He were, wrong. He will, correct. He shall, correct. He drink, wrong. He drinks, correct. And remember this, he drinks, the main verb in English with third person singular subject, he, she, it, takes yes or es suffix in present tense. This is the master rule, or the common error we find among the Indian students. The third person singular subject takes yes or es suffix to the main verb in simple present tense. Remember this. Similarly, like he am wrong, she am wrong, she is correct, she are wrong, she was correct, she were wrong, she will correct, she shall correct, she drink wrong, she drinks correct. Yes. Then it am wrong, it is correct, it are wrong, it was correct, it were wrong, it will correct, it shall correct, it drink wrong, it drinks correct. They, now the next personal pronoun, they am wrong, they is wrong, they are correct, they was wrong, they were correct, they will correct, they shall correct, they drink correct, but they drinks is wrong. Okay, this drill on personal pronouns is very basic in basic English, remember. And don't think that they are simple words, and this matching exercise is not important. This is very much important. And two more subjects we can try for this drill. John am, John is singular third person. John am wrong, John is correct, John are wrong, John was correct, John were wrong, John will correct, John shall correct, John drink wrong, John drinks correct. Now this plural, people am wrong, people is wrong, people are correct, people was wrong, people were correct, people will correct, people shall correct, people drink correct, but people drinks is wrong. Remember this drill and practice at leisure. Thank you.